What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at some cases and accessories made by Supcase for the brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Now I do want to thank Supcase for sending this kit out to me today so I could do this review for you guys, and if there's any products in this video that you guys like, I will be putting a link in the description so you can pick it up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Okay, so here we have a Supcase power adapter. It is a fast charger capable of doing 18 watts max output, 12 volts at 1.5 amps max. Here we have a lightning cable for your iPhone, iPad, iPod. Here we have a Galaxy S22 Ultra Edge Pro case. Here we have our Galaxy S22 Ultra UB Pro case. Looks like a couple different colors here. We have purple and green. And then here we have the Galaxy S22 Plus UB Pro case in a couple different colors. Ooh, that one looks pretty cool. There's a clear one and it looks like camo. That's new. Very interesting. So here is the power adapter itself. It is a USB Type-C. And again, like I said, it is capable of outputting 18 watts. Very nice. So you can definitely use this for your brand new Galaxy S22 Ultra or Galaxy S22 Plus because guess what? They don't come with a power adapter and this will do just fine for that. Okay, here is the lightning cable. What looks to be a very nice braided cable. So there we have our USB Type-C to Lightning. So this will work perfectly fine with your Apple devices to charge them up, especially with the Supcase fast charger. Plug that right in there and you can charge up your iPhone, or you can also charge up your Samsung device with the included cable. At least they still include that, right? Okay, moving on to the cases. This is the Edge Pro for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now this does look like a pretty nice case, and it does have a built-in screen protector that should work with the fingerprint sensor, but I don't have the real unit yet, so I will be doing another video showing you guys these cases with the actual unit. These are just dummy units, just kind of show off the cases. So here you just take your phone, you go ahead and put the top cover over the phone itself, and then you just kind of drop that piece inside the other case. Just kind of press this inside and there you go. Very nice. It has this protective cover that I'm not going to take off just yet because, like I said, I do want to show you the actual phone. It's got a clear back to show you your phone's color. It does look like it has a raised camera bump in the back to protect your cameras. Buttons on the side there. Very nice silver. Does have those rubber top and rubber bottom portions in case you happen to drop the phone. There is the bottom there. You got your cutouts for your charging port, your S Pen, and your speaker. And that's how thick it is. It doesn't seem to add a lot of bulk to the phone either. Feels good in the hand. Very nice. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the UB Pro case. This is their most protective case for your phone. So this is the OD Green. It does come with a belt clip. You can rotate this clip 360 degrees. Very nice. Definitely helps protect your screen on your case too. Just kind of pops out like that. Again, this is a two-piece design. It does not have a built-in screen protector. So again, all you need to do is take your phone. We're going to take the top piece, put it over our phone just like that, and then we're just going to pop this into the other part of the case. Now the inside of this case does have some rubber. It's hard plastic right here in the middle. But once you put your phone in here, it's not going to come out by itself. So if you happen to drop it or anything like that, you don't have to worry about your phone popping out. And that's what it looks like all inside the case. Very nice. Again, it is very protective. It's got these nice raised edges on the bottom and the top. You can very easily access the sides of the screen. It's got a nice rubber feel to it, feels good in the hand. On the back here, as you can see, the cameras are very recessed, so you don't have to worry about them getting touched if you happen to put your phone down. It's got a built-in stand, which is always nice. You can watch your phone in landscape or portrait mode. So it is good for some video calls, or if you want to just watch some Netflix or YouTube, you can do either one. And then it kind of just stores back into place just like that. Very nice. The back is made of a hard plastic, and it's surrounded by the rubber, like I said. You got your power and volume buttons on the side there. It's got some nice serrations, so you can easily grip it, and the hand does not feel slippery at all. The charging port on the bottom is covered, so you can keep it nice and clean, easily accessible. You got your S Pen cut out here and your speaker. And then you got your microphone port on the top. And there you go. If you want the most protection for your phone, the UB Pro is definitely going to be the way to go. And then here is that same case, but in the purple. Looks pretty nice, that metallic purple. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the Galaxy S22 Plus. Now these two colors are brand new for this year, which is nice. This is the camo black. So here is the case itself. It does look really cool. I love that camo color. It's like a metallic, shiny color. And they do come with the belt clip as well, just like the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And then it is a two-piece design. Again, on the inside, it's got a nice soft rubber, and then it's surrounded by this plastic ring here, which we'll take out now. Okay, so here's our Galaxy S22 Plus. We'll go ahead and take that outer ring from the shell, and we'll just place it over the top of our phone, just like this, and then we're going to put the whole phone inside the case. Everything snaps in place, and that's what it looks like. Very nice. Feels really good in the hand. Again, it's surrounded by that nice rubber bumper. You got your power buttons and volume rockers right there. On the back, your cameras are recessed enough to where you don't have to worry about them when you put your phone down. It does have that nice built-in stand again. Very cool. Got that cool camo color. On the bottom here, you got your covered power port and the speaker. Doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone, but it does protect it. Very nice. Easily accessible on the screen, and it does have those raised edges on the top and the bottom and around the edges in case you want to put your phone face down. And then for the first time ever, here is the UB Pro in a clear case. I cannot wait to see what colored phones look like in this case. I actually have a light blue one and a green one coming, so I'm pretty curious to see what it's going to look like in here. I'm sure it's going to look really cool. Everything is totally clear, so you can see everything. Again, it's got that nice belt clip. And then here is the case itself. Very cool. Let's go ahead and put the phone in and see what it looks like. And there you go. That looks really nice. Very cool, clear case. I'm actually really digging this. It's got that nice same rubber feel to it. Feels good in the hand. You got your stand on the back. Very nice. Very cool. So that is pretty much it for the Unicorn Beetle lineup for the Galaxy S22 Ultra and Galaxy S22 Plus. Again, if you guys want to pick any of these accessories or cases up, I will be putting a link in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.